Wow. The camera doesn't really show much, but it's absolutely yellow outside. It is absolutely yellow in New Jersey at 12:55. This is not normal, of course. I don't want to open the door, but it's really bad. I hope the wildfire calms down. Yeah, let me just do a second for myself. It's not looking